Hello, Julianne. It's great to be back. Now, do you love chocolate?
I love chocolate.
Love chocolate. Then you're gonna love this.
Fantastic.
You wanna have one?
Heck yeah.
How is it?
I took like 4. It's good.
Watch. Here, can you mix up the cube for me? Just go ahead and mix it up.
Yep.
Actually, you know what? If we just add a little bit more chocolate. And we can use this cube.
Okay.
Split into 2. Here, just give all of them a quick mix, and when you're done, just place them back onto the table. Take your time.
As long as I don't have to figure it out.
Make sure it's empty.
Yes, empty.
Perfect. Now when you're done, just put it back on the table. Awesome. Oh, you see the first one. Maybe 2 more. All of them completely solved. But you have to remember, in the very beginning, every single cube was simply just made out of chocolates. But these are real chocolates too, you can see. Not only that, and of course, thank you, Julianne. Thank you, everyone.